If you are trying to choose between Claude Opus 5 and Claude Fable 5, this video will save you time. Both are powerful AI models from Anthropic, but they are designed for different types of users. Here's what you need to know in under 3 minutes. Claude Opus 5 is Anthropic's flagship reasoning model built for maximum accuracy, coding, complex problem solving. Claude Fable 5, on the other hand, is optimized for creative writing, storytelling, and natural conversations. So which one is actually better? It depends on what you need. Performance. For coding, research, math, and logical reasoning, Claude Opus 5 is the clear winner. It handles complex prompts more accurately, follows detailed instructions better, and performs well on long technical tasks. Claude Fable 5 is still capable, but its focus is generating engaging, human-like content rather than solving difficult reasoning problems. Winner, Claude Opus 5. Creativity. If you are writing stories, scripts, marketing copy, or role-playing with AI, Claude Fable 5 shines. It produces more expressive, natural, and emotionally engaging responses. Opus 5 can certainly write creative content, but it generally prioritizes precision over personality. Winner, Claude Fable 5. Speed and everyday use. For everyday conversations, brainstorming ideas, and content creation, both models are fast and reliable. If your work involves software development, data analysis, or professional research, Opus 5 offers more consistent, high quality results. If your focus is content creation or entertainment, Fable 5 often feels more enjoyable to interact with. Final verdict. Choose Claude Opus 5 if you need the best coding assistance, if you work with technical documents, if you want stronger reasoning and accuracy, and if you solve complex businesses or research tasks. Choose Claude Fable 5 if you write stories or YouTube scripts, if you need creative brainstorming, if you prefer more natural, engaging conversations, and if you focus mainly on content creation. For most professionals, Opus 5 is the stronger all-around AI. But if creativity is your top priority, Fable 5 is the better choice. That is the comparison between Claude Opus 5 and Claude Fable 5. If this video helped you decide, leave a like, subscribe for more AI comparisons and reviews, and let me know down below in the comments which AI model you are using and why. Thanks for watching and goodbye.